Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make a awesome screen lock, and I'll show you step by step how to do this. And today I'm going to make a marine screen lock or lock screen, whatever you call it. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing, I'm gonna open up my app, which I downloaded. You can download it as well from Play Store, and the name of the app is GIF Maker. So I'm just gonna open up the app. There are like so many options here, and today I'm just going to focus on video to GIF, because I want to make a screen lock. So I'm just going to click on that, or I'm just going to tap it, and I'm going to choose my video. Let me just play it. It looks pretty good to me, and I'm happy with that. So I'm just gonna tap on check mark right here. It's processing. Just be patient. It's all done. Then over here, I'm just gonna play it again. You can speed up a little bit if you want. To do that, you just sort of slide this thing to the right. See, those fishes are moving faster now. Once you're happy, and there are other options too, so it looks pretty good to me, so I'm happy with that. So I'm not gonna change any more settings. So I'm just gonna tap on that check mark right here and tap OK. It's processing again. And over here, see, share, sit as, compress, delete. So I'm just gonna tap sit as, and here are like different options. You can set it as a wallpaper, you can set it as a screen lock, or you can set it as a lock and a home screen both. Okay, so I just want to set it up as a lock screen, so I'm just gonna tap on that. Just be patient, it's creating now. See, and the last step would be set on lock screen, which I'll do it when I finish my video. If you like this video, please consider subscribe my channel. Please like and comment. And guys, I badly need your support. Please subscribe my channel. I'm working so hard, and it's totally free, and you can always change your mind. Until next time, stay fit, and thanks for watching.